You know that you can have an evil M on your engine, your front, your steering wheel, and even on your forehead. You know it's easy. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel. Hey, welcome back. Today, we're gonna do an evil M. It's a cheap and simple mod that can make your Mazda look entirely different. But, first of all, it's not for all. Some may like it, most won't, which is a good thing. Only a few has it. But let me tell you this. When it comes to evil, nobody does it better. The closest thing they can do is this. But it looks cute though. So I'll be doing things differently. It's gonna be something more like an alteration trick. Gonna try and make it look tempting. So we got a total of 8 emblems all around. First is at the front, which I did 3 years back, but I'm gonna show how it's done. Second is at the steering wheel, which I am so excited about. Third is the one on the engine cover. 4 of which are at the rims, which I'll take a pass. That would be like pushing too far. And check this out. I'd rather get new rims. As much as I wanted to do the emblem at the trunk, the black piece I ordered came out dull. I tried painting it with blue, but it came out worse. You know, I really wanted something like a black chrome or a metallic black. This black makes it much thinner at the edges. I wanted to have a more fuller look. And look, you can't even lay this flat on the surface. It has to be bent accordingly. The major concern is that black is not gonna match up with my taillights, the wheels, and the badges. Should have gone for chrome, just like that. These are the basics. So, bottom line is, I'm not doing the back. I'll probably do something different on the trunk, on a separate video. So, I'm just gonna hang this on a tree this coming Christmas. No one cares. So I'm gonna use a 3D matte black carbon fiber vinyl. It'll definitely match that black background. So I've done the front 3 years back. I'm not taking that off. It still looks good. So instead I'll do an overlap just to show you how it's done. So if you don't like chrome and you prefer blue, red, or whatever, except for black, just paint the whole emblem first with your choice of color, then wrap it the way I did. As long as the emblem sits on a black background, it's really gonna work. Almost done. Before we get into the more complicated part, let me show you how it looks in broad daylight. Bruh. The creative and designs team of Mazda will surely hire me for this. Yeah, call me. onto the steering wheel. Take a look at that. Looks like bro. All flaky and faded. I know that a lot of you got the same thing going on. We are gonna fix that. We are doing something quite different and unique without the hassle of taking off that steering wheel. So I'd like to use a blade instead of a cutter because they're the only ones that can fit through those corners. But the first step to get rid of that old emblem is to wrap it up. Okay guys, I think I made a big mistake. Don't cut in too deep. The airbag is just right beneath and attached to this emblem. Oh man.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
You know, things are looking good. If you want to go for that look, I suggest you go for a glossy wrap. Something that can make it pop even more. I didn't cut off the center area because there's something I wanted to do. With this emblem I had a year back. It's supposed to be a replacement of the older one. But this one's for the first gen Mazda 3s. It's just a little bit smaller, but it's the only thing I can find. There's an option to buy the whole cover, which I obviously did not. But anyway, moving forward, I am not done yet. The most exciting part of all of this is doing an evil M on the steering wheel. Can't wait. Let's do this. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna lie, it's the only odd color around. I'll just try to figure out how to make these colors blend. But other than that, bruh, bruh. Guys, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.